My name is Layfetta Massey, and I am the priest with responsibility for St. Hilary's in Killay, All Souls in Tico, and St. Martin's in Diwrnod. The idea behind Bubble Church was to try and encourage young families to come to church. We didn't know if young families would come along. We now have 6 families that comes on a regular basis, so it really fills the room. Today it was the disciples catching the fish, the puppets tell the story, and then there is a development of the story, so it's a bit more hands-on for the children to do something practical to remember it. The children that do come are always buzzing and having such a good time. It's always fun for us at Bubble Church. I am personally grateful to my volunteers because for a service that is only 25 minutes, the effort that goes into each service is significant. I know that there's no way that you can do what you believe God is actually putting on your heart without your volunteers. When we moved to Wales was the time that I'll be taking up my first incumbency. I'll be stepping out without a supervisor on my own. St. Martin's is a tiny church in terms of the generation and the age group of people. If they were to have their ideal thing, I think it would be traditional. But those who recognize that for us to grow as a church, we do need to be brave in shaking it up a little bit. Yeah, and clapping every now and then in church. Being able to actually have the congregation be proud of their church and that the local community know that there's this new life that is springing forth from these churches. And so they're buzzing about that, and I'm not sure I take full responsibility for that. That's the Holy Spirit at work, but that's been good to be a part of that. Family is incredibly important to me, and I often say to my congregation that my first church is my family. I know my kids probably have moments where they think, oh gosh, Mom, enough already. But they're immersing themselves into this new life. And so I can confidently say that they're happier now than they were when we just moved. That's been really nice to see.